Welcome to Byte Tech Horizon channel. In this video, we will talk about DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, so make sure to watch the full video. Fly under the radar with the DJI Mini 4 Pro, weighing less than 249 g. No need for a pilot certificate, making your flight experience hassle-free. Capture breathtaking 4K to 60 FPS HDR videos vertically. Enjoy crystal clear sunrise, sunset, and night footage directly from the camera, with no post-editing required. Fly with peace of mind thanks to omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This feature enhances safety by detecting obstacles from all directions, reducing collision risks. Enjoy longer flights with extended battery life. Say goodbye to battery worries and embrace uninterrupted exploration of vast landscapes. Experience real-time, lag-free aerial footage over 20 kilometers with FHD video transmission. Immerse yourself in the beauty of your surroundings like never before. Master intelligent tracking with Active Track 360 degrees. Even beginners can easily capture smooth, complex videos, making every shot look professional. The combo includes an RC2, 3 batteries with 34 minutes of flight time each, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag. Fly longer and capture more. Stay informed about local drone regulations to ensure safe and legal flying. Always check and follow the latest laws before taking off. Dive into an immersive flight experience with optional DJI RC Motion 2 and DJI goggles. Enjoy FPV flights with intuitive controls and real-time views. The DJI Mini 4 Pro's folding design makes it incredibly portable. Take it anywhere, ready to fly in moments and capture your adventures. With 4K HDR video capability, your footage will stand out with vivid colors and stunning detail. Make every moment look cinematic. The drone safety features are designed for everyone, from beginners to pros. Fly confidently, focusing on capturing great shots rather than avoiding obstacles. The Fly More combo ensures you're always ready. With extra batteries and fast charging, your creativity never has to pause for a recharge. The DJI RC2 screen remote controller enhances your flying experience. Control your drone with precision and view live footage in high definition. Capture unique perspectives and explore new angles with ease. The DJI Mini 4 Pro's versatility opens up a world of creative possibilities. Embrace the freedom of flight with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Lightweight, feature-packed, and ready for adventure, it's your perfect flying companion. Rated for 0.7 stars. Order today for £978.98. Seize every moment with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Its compact design and powerful features ensure breathtaking captures anywhere, anytime. Dive into the skies with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, where technology meets imagination to transform your aerial photography dreams into reality. Discover unparalleled aerial photography with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, where every flight unlocks a masterpiece in the making. Take your storytelling to new heights with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, merging portability with professional-grade imagery. Capture the unseen. With the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, experience seamless creativity from the clouds. Every shot is a step closer to cinematic brilliance. Embark on an adventure with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo, where every detail is captured in stunning clarity from above. Explore new perspectives and elevate your visual storytelling with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo. Every moment becomes a breathtaking memory. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching. You can find the Amazon product link in the description of the video.